Duplicate your layer. Convert it to a smart object to keep filters editable. Go to Filter, Blur, Motion Blur. Set the distance value. Duplicate the layer, then apply motion blur to the duplicate with an increased distance value. Hide the second layer to focus on the first effect. Select black as the foreground color. Choose the brush tool and paint on the Smart Filter mask to control where the blur effect appears. Show the second layer, add a layer mask, and use the brush tool to selectively reveal or hide areas of the blur effect. Select both layers and convert them into a smart object. Go to Filter, Filter Gallery. Select the grain filter and adjust the settings as needed. Add new effect layer, select Torn Edges filter and adjust the settings. That's it. Thanks for watching.